Good morning, students. Today, after article a and an, we are going to study in detail the article the. We have discussed in the previous class the information about the two articles, indefinite articles and an. We have also discussed about the uses of the two articles, two indefinite articles and and. And we have also discussed about the uses of both, how it used before the consonant sound, and while how an is used before the noun was pronounced like the vowel. So, and we have discussed yesterday, and again while concluding the section of articles, we will discuss it in detail. Now, we will move to the article the after a and an. Dear students, the use of article the is of far most important thing, because we have seen that article a and an, the use of both the articles, indefinite articles a and an, we have seen that the articles a and an used, always used in front of the singular and countable nouns only. Only the singular and countable noun. Countable means 1, 2, 3. Singular means a pen, a cat, not a cats. So keep in mind that in front of singular and countable nouns we use article a and an. When we think about and move to article the use of article the is different from the use of the is different from use of a and an. And this definite article used in front of singular and plural nouns. The is used in front of singular and plural nouns. This is one difference between article a and an. It proceeds both singular and plural nouns to refer to the person, thing they represent in a specific way. Means any noun, maybe which represent animal, man, thing, places, or any objects. And here the matter of singular and plurality doesn't matter. And the article the is totally different from article a and an, because the very beginning we have seen that article the is known as the definite article, and while we have discussed a and an are the indefinite articles. So the difference is here, contrast is here between the two. One is definite while the other two are indefinite. So definite means fix, definite means nishchit, definite means unique, that is only one, that is universal, that is fixed, that is known to all, that is definite, only one, unique, known to all. And while indefinite means general and common noun, a fan, a pen, a table, a TV, and so on. And definite means the Usha fan, the Samsung LED TV, the Samsung mobile, the aeroplane means the aeroplane which is known to you, that a aeroplane means any aeroplane. The aeroplane means that you know and the next party also know about which you are talking about. So, the is of such importance and it has the meaning. Suppose if I ask you, one example is there, will you watch the film? So, the article the means, will you watch the film or have you watched the film? If I asked like that, have you watched the film? Have you watched the film? It means that I am asking about the film that you have watched. Will you watch or have you watched that you know very well. मी अशा फिल्मबद्दल विचारतो की जे तुम्हाला माहीत आहे आणि जे की प्रचलित झालेली आहे. तुम्ही ती फिल्म बघितली का? ती म्हणजेच डेफिनेट द, that you and I very well know. The same time if I used here a, it means that will you watch a film? एखादा कुठला तरी सिनेमात आपण पाहू का? Or you have watched a film. एखादी फिल्म तू बघितली का? Means there is no any particular, definite, unique message or reference about that film. So, the film, it means that you and I know about which I am definitely talking, and you are also definitely known about that which I am talking. So, this is one about the definite information. Though film is a common noun, but when we add there the, it becomes particular and known to all. And the same time if you add a, it becomes common, general, or any film which you want to bring. So, that is one. So, the use of article the, we have seen that article the is used in so many cases, at so many places, in front of so many places, in front of so many things, in front of so many places, things, nouns, unique things, not only of this nation but of the world, and each and every unique thing, definite one, only one, that is of more importance and which come into the category of definite article the, right. So, if I asked you bring an apple, you will go to the market and bring any apple, an apple. If I asked you bring the apple, means you must know that about the apple I am talking about, and you have to bring the apple which I expected. An apple म्हणजे कुठल्याही मार्केटमधून एखादं सेफ ॲपल घेऊन या, and the apple means I am talking about the apple which you know and I also expect. So, you have to go into the market and bring the apple which I expected. Suppose I said bring a pen, means any pen you can bring, and if I say bring the pen which I use, so you must know that which pen I use and which pen I expect from you to bring. So, you go into the market and bring the pen which I use, which I like, which I prefer. So, the difference between a pen and the pen is like this. So, the uses of article the and the, this is little difference between the and the. About the uses of it, I will just clear it. But the use of article a and an is totally different from the article the. One is from the general nouns and the is for the particular nouns we use, and I cleared here through this example of this. There is a little difference between the, because whenever we use it in the advanced modern English grammar in general and the foreign communication tone, because foreigners use the correct English, they spoke correctly. Whenever they speak in fluency also, they use the correct and proper uses of articles, not only articles but of the pronouns and other grammar things. So, here when we think about the article, the same article the, this is we call it the and also we call it the. Where we call it article the as the, where we call the as the, just you think about. When this particular the appears in front of the words beginning with consonant sound, there it work as the. For example, the means this is the a symbol the, and again we, when we use it as the, it is like this. This is the plus e, the plus a, the and the. Because the we use in front of or before consonant sound nouns, before the consonant begin with the consonant sound, before the words, before the words begin with consonant sound, means we use the in front or before the words which begin consonant sound, while the before the words begin with vowel sound, begin with vowel sound. The difference between the and the is like this. The, we can simply say, this is like spelling is the same. The pen, pencil, the cat, the horse, bring the table, like this. And this is the we use in such way. When we think about the article the, when we pronounce the as the, it used before words begin with vowel sound as in the word like as the east, the apple, the ulcer, the orange, the egg, the egg, the umbrella, etc. So, where the we have to pronounce as the, where the pronounced as the, वी हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड फॉर एव्हर. हमेशासाठी तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे की एखादं नाउन किंवा एखादा कुठलाही वर्ड जो, कारण की आपण मोस्टली आर्टिकल अँड आणि द हे एखाद्या नाउन पुढं वापरतो, एखाद्या वर्ड पुढं नाही. म्हणजेच तो नाउन असलं पाहिजे, मग ते कुठले नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस असो, थिंग असो, ॲनिमल असो, ऑब्जेक्ट असो, काय असो, मग त्यापुढं आपण कॉमन नाउन असो का पर्टिक्युलर नाउन असो, आपण त्याच्या पुढं द कुठं वापरायचं आणि दी कुठं वापरायचं हे लक्षात ठेवा. द हे जे वर्ड ज्याची बिगिनिंग हे व्यंजनाच्या स्वरात होते, व्यंजनाचा साऊंड न होते, तिथं द वापरायचं आणि ज्या वर्डची किंवा नाउनची सुरुवातीचा शब्द हा स्वरासारखा उच्चार करतो त्यापुढं दी उच्चारायचं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा याच्यामध्ये दचा उच्चार बघा कुठं वापरतो आपण. द पेन, द फॅन, द पेन्सिल, द मोबाईल, द टेबल, द ट्री, the banana, and so on. And the use of the is we have to use in front of the nouns. For example, the east, the apple, the answer, the egg, the umbrella, the orange, and so on. Just keep in mind this is a short and important thing. Beside this, in the coming lecture, we will discuss the detailed uses of article the. With this, I will stop here. Thank you very much.